Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord headlight. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the hood and remove the negative battery terminal to protect electronics. Locate the headlight assembly and identify retaining screws and wiring harness. Use appropriate tools to remove the old bulb and replace it with a matching unit. Reinstall components and test the light for proper alignment and operation. Next, remove the headlight assembly carefully to avoid scratching the bumper. Loosen and remove retaining screws while supporting the assembly with one hand. Pull the assembly forward slightly to expose the bulb and wiring harness. Press the connector clip to release the harness and gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Inspect the socket for corrosion and clean if necessary before installing the new bulb assembly and securing the screws. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass to prevent premature failure. Align the bulb tabs with the socket and twist clockwise until it clicks and seats securely. Reconnect the wiring harness and temporarily reconnect the battery negative terminal to test the beam and polarity. Verify both low and high beams if applicable, then disconnect the battery again before reassembling. Reinstall the headlight assembly, tighten screws, and perform a final test for proper illumination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.